Hi, today we are going to talk about Rocketium. Rocketium is a really nice tool to make videos. The only problem is that we have to pay for it, and if we want to use the free trial, we just have 3 minutes to do our video, but we can make a video with 3 minutes. So this is the way how Rocketium looks like. So I already logged in. You just have to put your email address, your name, and your password to start creating a video. So these are the things you can add. So we can replace the media here. So you can upload images here where you see the arrow. You go there and you choose the picture you want. So you can change this. So I will write Anna slept late last night because I want to talk about the past tense, right? So this is what I want to write. Anna slept late last night, right? Oh, I can add another text and I can add another media if I want, but I don't want to add another media there. So here you can make the media size, the filters, the volume if it's a medium. Let's go to the next one. We're going to replace the media. We can add a video here too. So you can upload a video and have a video, but you can paste the URL media to see if we can import the video. We have to put the URL. Let's see if it works. No, it doesn't look for it. So here you can add the image as I told you. So we are going to put a new image. Let's see which one. This one, right? So you can add text. You can write something. Emily jumped in her house last night. Right. Also, we can replace the media here as we did it before. 8. So you can use that information there. So we can see the scenes that we have. Anna slept late last night. So we're going to take out these. Emily jumped in her house last night. Also, we can change the words there, the highlights, italics. So you can add your voice over. So you can add here, for example, let's click to start recording. We are going to accept. So I will say, Emily jumped in the house last night. So let's listen. Emily jumped in the house last night. So if you see, it will appear there. Let's see. Emily jumped in the house last night. So there you have the information there. If you want to add a logo, you can put it. You can play some music. But here in the free trial, we don't have chance to put some music. So this is what we can do. So we can save it or we can export it. So yeah, I hope you like the video. And I hope this information helps you to create your own videos for your students. So when you finish it, you can save it as I told you, and you can export the video for having have the video in your computer. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this information is helpful for you and your students.